How to delete a LinkedIn account without an email address. For that, first of all, go to the home page of LinkedIn. Once you go to the home page, there you will see on the top right sign in option. Simply tap on it. Once you go to the sign in option, there you will see your email address, password and forget password option. Simply tap on forget password option. Once you tap on it, there you will see a box to type your email address, and there you will see cannot access this email address option too. Simply tap on it, then you will be asked to type your new email address and password. Then simply tap on it and then you will log into your account. Then you can easily delete your LinkedIn account. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.